In this lecture, we'll try to understand about AND operator. Now, where you can use this AND operator, let's try to understand. So, AND operator we can use whenever you want to filter out the data based on the two condition. So, obviously, like there may be a multiple conditions will be there, right? So, first condition, let me take one example. Let's say we have these records are there in the employee table. We have a records along with the gender and the countries there. Now I'm in a situation where I need the list of record only from China and the gender should be female. That's my requirement. So it is basically a plain English language which is saying that we need to use AND operator because there are two conditions. One condition is the country should be China. Second condition is the gender should be female. So we are concatenating these two conditions. In that case, we can use AND operator. Let me show you how you can use that. If you check our document, here it is saying that expression 1, then we need to use AND operator and expression 2. So you can have a multiple expression also, like expression 1, expression 2, expression 3. In between that, you can also mention AND. Let me take one first example. Select star from table name. In my case, the table name is EMP, where first condition, the first condition is gender equals to, what should be the gender? I can see the gender is female. See, the sensitivity is very important here. Case sensitivity, capital letter, small letter, the way it has written over here in the table, same way we need to write down female. If you write down in the capital letter, everything in the capital letter, you will not find the record. Now I am using AND operator. Second condition, what is the second condition? The country. You can specify the name of your column in small letter or capital letter, that's not a problem. Country equals to, but the record should be in the same way how it has been given in the table. Now here you can see there are the two conditions I have mentioned. First thing is I want all the females from the country China. This is an AND condition. Let me execute it. So if you see the result, you can see we got all the female candidate from the China location and rest of the information are as it is. Now if I scroll it down little bit, you can see all the records are from female only and that is from China. So here you can see the AND condition how it works. Apart from this, you can also add one more condition like AND. Let's say you are saying year equals to, you want the year to be 2007. You can use multiple AND also, that's not a problem. Let me try to run it. So from the 2007 we got this many female candidate from the China location. So this is how you can use your AND operator, and many times we need to use an AND operator in the Oracle DB field, so you should know about this. Thank you.